All right, I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin filters here on your BMW. It's a 530i 2006. You have this one on the driver's side. You have that one over there on the passenger side. It's really simple to do. Only tool you need is a 13mm socket. But we're gonna come right here. The first thing you wanna do is take this little screw there. It's 13mm. Put this on and turn it counterclockwise until it stops. Okay, once it stops, I'm gonna come over here. It has this little bracket. You just take it, pop that off. Then the only thing you have to do is raise it up, pull it out of that slot right there. As you can see, this is kind of clean. I cleaned it earlier, so we won't waste time making this video. But what you want to do is get a vacuum. It'll have leaves and stuff in here. You want to vacuum all of that stuff out and clean it. And you can take some contact cleaner, whatever, and get it really clean. Make sure there's no leaves in this filter here. It's a little where the air comes out and it flows up in the filter going this way, and then it goes back down. Here goes something I want to show you here on this filter. You can take this filter off, just squeeze right here, pull it up, and it's only one way this thing will go in. You see this little notch here? When you buy the one at either AutoZone or you order online, it's only one way it can go in. And as you can see right here, the airflow is gonna come this way. So what's happening, air is coming in from over here and it's going through this filter. So the air is flowing this way. So to put that filter back in, the new filter, right there, that slot, just slide it in there, push that, and pop it in. And to put it back in, just line these holes up, go down, put your 13mm, turn it until it stops. Take this clip, pop it inside. That's the driver's side, okay? We're gonna go over here on the passenger side. It's the same. Basically, it's the same. You wanna take that 13mm, turn it until it stops. Once it stops, come and take this little bracket off. Get my leverage. And you also have these clips over here on the passenger side. You can zoom in on that. And you can just bring it close and just push that clip and it'll come right off. Then you got a clip right here, same thing. Let's see. It'll come out. And you really don't have to take them off, but I just take them off. And just slide this up, pull it forward, just get it out the way. And this is the same as the other side. Try this filter, pull it in, just like I did on the driver's side. Take it out. As you see, it has that notch right there. You have a notch right here. And the airflow, the arrow should be pointing down towards the filter. Because what happened, the air is gonna come in this way, and it's gonna go through here and come out and go into your vehicle. So what you wanna do is take the new filter, put it in like that, push that, go that way. So to put it back on, same way. I don't know if you can get in there, but it's the same as the other side. Bring that. Make sure everything's sitting down. Take this. Okay, turn it. Put this clamp back on. And then just plug these back in. It's gonna only go one way. You see that clip up there? Go right there and you'll hear it snap into place. All right, this one the same way. That's it. Like I said, make sure everything clean and that filter could go only one way. Now, if you want to purchase any of these filters, look in my description below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.